Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a top-door washing machine. First, let's talk about loading your clothes. Gently open the top lid and begin placing your garments inside. It's important to distribute them evenly around the central agitator or the impeller at the bottom. This helps maintain balance during the wash cycle. Remember, do not overload the machine. Leave about 6 inches of space from the top to allow clothes to move freely and get thoroughly cleaned. Overloading can reduce cleaning effectiveness and potentially damage your machine. Next, let's add your cleaning agents. For most top-load machines, you'll use high-efficiency, or HE, detergent. Check your detergent's label for the recommended amount, typically 1 to 2 tablespoons for a standard load, and pour it into the designated dispenser. If you're using fabric softener, add it to its separate compartment. Avoid pouring detergent directly onto your clothes, as this can leave residue or even cause discoloration. Always follow the manufacturer's guidelines for best results and to protect your fabrics. Now it's time to select your wash cycle and settings. Look at your machine's control panel and choose the cycle that best suits your load, such as delicates, heavy-duty, or normal. Consider the water temperature. Hot water is great for whites, warm for synthetics, and cold for darks and delicates. Many modern machines automatically sense the water level, but if yours has a manual setting, select one that covers your clothes completely, typically filling about 2/3 of the tub. Finally, let's get that wash started and finished. Once you've loaded your clothes, added detergent, and selected your settings, ensure the top lid is closed securely. Then, simply press the start button. The machine will begin filling with water and agitating. When the cycle is complete, remove your clothes promptly. This helps prevent wrinkles from setting in and avoids the development of mildew, keeping your laundry fresh and ready for drying. Enjoy your clean clothes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.